कहना चाहूँगा कि हम इसको भले ही सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग कहते हैं, लेकिन ये सबसे हार्डेस्ट चीज़ है जो इस मिशन का अंग है। तो सबसे हार्डेस्ट इसलिए है क्योंकि आपका जो वेलोसिटी है उसको आपको बखूबी से कंट्रोल करना है। 2 किलोमीटर पर सेकंड से वेलोसिटी आपको 2 मीटर्स पर सेकंड तक लानी है, और फाइनली आप जब लैंड करेंगे तब ऑलमोस्ट ज़ीरो वेलोसिटी लग के लैंड करेंगे। अब लैंडर ने ये किया है, ऑर्बिटर के साथ उसका संबंध रहता है, ऑर्बिटर के साथ उसके कम्युनिकेशंस हैं, ऑर्बिटर फोटोग्राफ्स ले रहा है। लैंडर जैसे जैसे नीचे आएगा।
All right, Dr. Lele, we'll come back to you. We are really sorry, but we have to in fact cut across live now to Bengaluru, the ISRO headquarters. There, in fact, Prime Minister Modi is going to be arriving there shortly.
3, 2, 1.
नमस्कार। 7 सितंबर 2019 आज की रात मुलाकात चांद के साथ। भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन यानी इसरो के वैज्ञानिक और सभी अंतरिक्ष प्रेमी लैंडर विक्रम के चंद्रमा की सतह पर उतरने के ऐतिहासिक पलों का साक्षी बनने के लिए तैयार हैं। Welcome to the coverage of soft landing of Chandrayaan-2 on lunar surface. These are the visuals from Mission Operations Complex at ISRO Telemetry Tracking and Command Network, ISTRAC, based out of the garden city of Bengaluru, Karnataka. These display screens are showing the countdown. Also the path that lander Vikram will take, as we are moments away to see that touchdown happening. Chandrayaan-2 is an Indian lunar mission that aims to improve our understanding of our closest neighbor, the moon. Discoveries that perhaps will contribute to national development and also serve humanity as a whole. These young students have participated in the space quiz, and they are here to witness the historic event. At ISRO, as the boundaries of India's capabilities in space continue to expand, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, encourages exploration of space potential and also application of space technologies to help ease of living. Prime Minister, in his Mann Ki Baat address, had invited students to participate in space quiz. His appeal had got an overwhelming response, and today, apart from the scientists and other stakeholders, we have students not only of India but also of Bhutan to witness the soft landing of Chandrayaan-2 on the south polar region of the moon. So what makes Chandrayaan-2 special? This is the first space mission to conduct a soft landing on the moon's south polar region. The scientists here at ISTRAC are glued to their systems, analyzing all kinds of complex data. India is at the brink of creating history. Are you ready to witness history tonight? It all starts.
A very good morning and welcome from the Mission Operation